Alright, so basically what I did today, I was doing soldering for piping for a refrigerator. So we're gonna check the gas valves, I think tomorrow. If it leaks, my stuff is leaking because of the water and the oxygen. But anyways, that's what I did for school today. I gotta do these two ends today. I did these two. I didn't have enough time. We only had 2 hours of class today, and it went really fast, so I basically had to finish tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Let me know.